on YouTube. Wolvesblood6 with a quick review. I started getting these new figures, all the wrestling guys. Kind of sliced it too deep, but look what I got. Zack Ryder. Piece of me, yeah. It's out the way. Alright. So there's Zack. I got. Broski of the week right here. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, I started getting these guys. They're great. I'm just getting the elites. This Randy Orton I got. He's one of the basics with no articulation in the hips. There is some, but it doesn't like roll out like these. So I just got to pose in the RKO pose. I never heard this far into the comments. Oh man. This guy. Oh yeah, I was gonna leave this in the package. He looks good. I think this is the best one that they have out. Zack Ryder. He's gonna fist pump your face. Ain't no homo. I like the song. But he's cool. Yeah, I'm a huge wrestling fan, so that's why I'm getting into these. Oh, are you serious, bro? Oh shit! I got you. I got you, broski. Perfect. All right, let's get to this next one. No, it's fine. Let's see. You got is a surprise. Next in the Royal Rumble. Whoa. Sheamus. From Series 17. Too many lions. Whoa. I want to get the shield. That's gonna be nice. But right now I already ordered Daniel. I shouldn't even say it. I won't even say it. I'll just say it. But if you go on the Toys R Us website, you can get one, and then the other one will be 40% off. So you can get them for like $16.99 for an Elite figure for $10. And I'm in California, and they're shipped like $5. I ordered 2 figures today. What? I have a bunch of Jack specific toys from when I was a kid. But these, I just started getting these guys all over again because, I don't know, I'm reinvigorated with my figures. Boom! Sheamus. Look at that. Got the belts. It looks good. Alright. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Get the figures while you can. The Elites. You know, I've been watching the Grimm's Toy Show. Ebenezer Middlesdorf, and he's been going through to different toy stores and showing how empty the shelves are, and they're really empty. So I went and picked up all these guys in different places. I got him from Walmart for like $10. Toys R Us for 20. He was $20. I got this guy for $24 on eBay from pbonomo. I'll put a link to his store. And then I got Zack Ryder. I guess this guy's rare, I guess. I got him from Replica Replica wrestling belts, workout wear, for 30 bucks. Free shipping on both of them. So I did pretty good. I mean, not too bad. Some places charge about, okay, 23 bucks for him, 30 bucks, I guess. And, I'm happy.
Top down, rolling like thunder, always drawing.